everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Johnny speaking, and yes, this is actually a gold pan. I used it at a hat today because this is a gold digging and gold panning short video. I'm missing words, because one of my fans follow me on Facebook. I saw him on YouTube right now, and I comment his video and comment something else, and he actually subbed me back. So wow, have a look. So, what you are about to see right now on my scrapping table is called the Goldcube. Okay? The Goldcube are like a awesome high banker on high level instead for the long way. You put the material here and you go down, 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 down and down until you run out. So there are like 4 pieces of this one. This is the feeding tray. You put the water in here and it flows out right here, drop down like here. You see? Then it pops right down here. And the bottom one on this one, here we go. The bottom one here goes like the water goes in and it go out. So that's just like the water is like, bouncing around, making turbulence. So all the heavy material to 95% stops there. And the rest of it, here you have the other edges, and it's gonna pop out, fall down into the next opening. But if you fill this first tray with gold, you should claim it. I can tell you right now, because when I used this one, when I used a bucket of 12 kilos sand with 6-gram gold, I dumped everything in my gold pan, everything in the Goldcube, and I can tell you the first spot right up here was gold. Every single piece of that gold in that bucket stopped in the actual first vortex mat tray. Well, it's the second part of the Goldcube. The Goldcube are in 4 pieces. Stack it like that. You can see immediately the right way because you have the opening like a drop. Everything has the triangle, pam 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 pam. The water comes in, and it comes with an 1100 gallon per hour. It should be used. You should not mix it if you don't know what you're doing. If the gold are dropping by in the bottom one, you have too much gold. Then you have go less than time. Also, the one good thing with the gold cube are if you're using Goldcube or a regular high banker, if you stop the water by unplugging one of these and just start again, which means in a regular high banker you have to have a bucket under it, like a pan or something, to catch up the first load what's come out, otherwise you will drop gold. this beauty, you can stop, play, stop, play, stop, play. You will never lose anything what you already catch. So I'm really honored. Thank you, Mike Pong, the creator of the Goldcube, to join my channel. That's a big thumbs up. Everyone should go look at him. If you want to know everything more about this guy or this machine, what this actually do, this racing people comparing with hand panning or using any kind of high banker, no one can beat this. I can tell you that. 100% pure catching gold. Doesn't matter if these are pickets, nuggets, or floor. But the thing is, the best part to use this machine is 1/8 mash classified material. If you use bigger one, you're probably gonna have the gold stick in your classify. So the best part to use this one is 1/8 mash or lower, and it would definitely catch everything if you have gold in your ground. So right now on my scrapping table I have this enormous, nice, pure Goldcube. The best ever. It's the best buy I ever done. Is it heavy? Yes, but it's fucking doing this job. So I'm still missing words. Thank you, Mike, for joining me, for joining my channel. In 2 weeks I'm going for a gold trip, and this beauty are gonna follow with me there, and she's gonna work hard, you know, and she will find gold. You will see it in my channel if you follow with me when I'm using this one. There's gonna be lots of panning as well, and also digging, and we are gonna have so much fun. But this one is gonna make 95% of my work. I'm gonna dig, I'm gonna feed it, then all I wanna do is just clean the mat and pan it. Everything's gonna be there. So, wow. Well, as I said, I am a scrapper. This is my scrapping table. I am also a gold digger and gold panner. This is the Goldcube. The water come out here. This is where you feed it. You can use some kind of different mats on it. Right now I have the original mat with like vortex, and I can say it's really doing this job because the water come down here and flip up and jump. So the water actually jump over everything, but the heavy material will go lower one. So it's gonna be like two-side flip. The gold gonna stripe and just squeeze the end while the water jumps out and making a little bit turbulence, you know, like that, and pops. So the water will just roll. If there are bubbles, no, it doesn't matter. Will not be any bubble because the water will be like just smoothly roll over and make a little bit wave up here, and that's what gold feels. The more gold you get, you more it's gonna be like a triangle in time, or you know, fill it up. It's depend, because but the last time I did, it was like these edges. I see if we can, if they come down here, it's going down, and you have the next one, same thing, but it's going backwards on this one, and the last and fourth one is actually doing the same.